See, if you after opening your Athena app, this is how it will look like. This is the buy, this is the sell section. So let me not waste most of your time. You can decide to look for who you want to sell here. Everybody has the minimum they accept. Just look at the limit. The limit will tell you the amount they can accept, and the available is the Athena they have to buy from you. You understand? You are the one selling. So for those of you who wants to buy Athena, you can also buy from the P2p. So what you need to do is to click on this profile here, click on the overview. So it will take you to this place. You understand? So click on deposits, then select Athena. Okay. Then what you need to do, this is my email. Your email will be here. So just copy the email. That's why I tell you, make sure the email you are using to register the P2p is the same with the one on our Athena. So copy the email, go to your Athena app. All right. So you click on your wallet. So my Athena is low now because I've used a lot of them to upgrade my mining speed. So what you need to do is to click on send. So when you click on send, click on deposit into Athena P2p. Okay. So you paste your email, click on Athena, then put the amount. Minimum is 100. Okay. Then you see the fee they will charge you. So once you are done, you click on send. They will send you a confirmation code to your email. Put the email, and once you are done with that, your Athena will be credited to your. Okay, you click on send OTP. So they'll send you a code. Paste the OTP code. Click on send. So once you are done, your Athena will be credited to your wallet P2p. Okay. So once it is credited on your wallet, click on here. Click on this Athena logo. Then it will take you to the dashboard. Click on sell. Right, so you click on sell whatever amount you want to sell to any vendor. Once you are done selling, your USDT will be credited to your Athena account. So if you want to check, once you are done selling, is instant. Okay, once you click on sell, put the amount, they will sell it instantly. Click here, click on overview. All right, so you need to click overview to take you here. This is your referral link. You can copy and send to your people. Once they trade using P2p, you get some commission. So your USDT will be available in your USDT balance after selling. So you just click on withdraw. Okay, the withdrawal function is working well. Then you paste the amount you want to send. Then on the wallet address, make sure you use USDT BEP20. Just go to Trust Wallet, search for USDT. You have TRC20, you have BEP20. So make sure you are using BEP20. If you paste an address that is not correct, it will tell you wrong address. So put the amount you are sending, click on wallet address, paste your wallet address you are withdrawing. So click on continue. They will send you an OTP. Confirm the OTP from your email, paste it, click on send. Immediately the transaction will go once. You understand? It does not delay. Transaction withdrawal is within 1 minute. So this is my withdrawal. Okay, you can see it. I deposited 830 ATH. I sold it for $58. Then after withdrawing, they collected $1 charges. So I got paid. I withdraw 1156, got paid 1156. You understand? So this is just how to use it. Right? It's very simple.